Last July 9, the Psychological Association of the Philippines, you attended the Senate hearing and you proposed the School Safety Act. So sabi nyo nga na dapat talaga violence in school should not even be tolerated because they have profound psychological, developmental, and social consequences for students, educators, families, and communities. So, how do we keep our schools safe, supportive, and nurturing where schools are classified as second homes? How do we do that? No, in light of all this violence that happened in the last couple of weeks, no, unfortunately nga students have been bringing guns to school, knives. Paano po 'yan? 'Di ba talaga yung trauma sa mga nakaka-witness niyan? Paano po natin aagapin?
Yeah,
Sorry.
actually po, syempre po dapat ang mga programa natin at policies natin ay talagang in place, no? At hindi po mga reactive programs lang, no? But unfortunately, nangyari na po yan, no? Talagang medyo nakakalungkot. But definitely po, kailangan po talaga ng mga promotive, preventive, no? Intervention program. Of course, postvention. And of course, ito po ang ating mga monitoring and evaluation, no? So ngayon, ang ginawa po natin dyan is siyempre po sa pakikipagtulungan ng DepEd, meron na po tayong mga contingency plans. No? Nagkaroon po ng psychological first aid, tinignan po yung mga safety needs, no, ng ating mga kabataan, nagkaroon ng mga sessions, nagkaroon na yung mga may kailangan po talaga, nagkaroon ng mga psychological counseling, at nagkaroon ng mga referral system. At ngayon, fortunately po, nakabuo na rin ng mga contingency plans at manual, no, ang DepEd, at nagkaroon na rin po sila ng national training. So unti-unti po ay talaga pong patuloy na po, no, ang pag-prioritize ng safety and security and psychological safety ng ating mga estudyante.